Plant-based diets. The challenges and considerations. Plant-based diets, which primarily consist of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and legumes, have gained considerable popularity in recent years. While there are numerous benefits associated with adopting a plant-based lifestyle, it is important to acknowledge the challenges and considerations that come with it. One of the main challenges individuals face when transitioning to a plant-based diet is obtaining adequate protein intake. Unlike animal-based sources, plant proteins tend to be incomplete, meaning they lack certain essential amino acids. However, this challenge can easily be overcome by combining different plant protein sources, such as beans and rice, to ensure a complete amino acid profile. Another consideration when following a plant-based diet is ensuring a sufficient intake of certain nutrients typically found in animal products, such as vitamin B12, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin B12 in particular is mainly found in animal-based products and is crucial for the formation of red blood cells and the functioning of the nervous system. Thus, individuals on a plant-based diet should be mindful of incorporating fortified foods or taking supplements to meet their nutrient needs. Adhering to a plant-based diet can also present challenges in social situations. Dining out or attending social gatherings often involves limited vegetarian or vegan options. This can occasionally lead to feelings of exclusion or having to compromise on one's ethical choices. Educating friends, family, and restaurants about plant-based options and being prepared with packed meals or snacks can help navigate these situations. Furthermore, the cost of purchasing plant-based alternatives can sometimes be higher compared to their animal-based counterparts. Obtaining a variety of fresh produce and specialty plant-based products may require a larger budget. However, choosing whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, and legumes can help mitigate this challenge. Another consideration is the potential for nutrient deficiencies in children or pregnant individuals following a plant-based diet. These groups require special attention to ensure proper growth and development. Consulting a registered dietitian can help design a well-balanced plant-based meal plan that meets their specific needs and ensures sufficient intake of essential nutrients. Changing dietary habits can also impact gut health. Plant-based diets are typically high in fiber, which can sometimes cause bloating, gas, or digestive discomfort, especially in individuals who are not used to consuming such high amounts of fiber. Gradually increasing fiber intake, drinking plenty of water, and including fermented foods can help support a healthy gut microbiome. Finally, it is crucial to acknowledge the environmental impact of our dietary choices. Plant-based diets have been shown to have a lower carbon footprint compared to animal-based diets. By reducing reliance on animal agriculture, which is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions and deforestation, choosing plant-based options can help mitigate climate change and promote sustainability. In conclusion, adopting a plant-based diet can offer numerous health and environmental benefits. However, there are challenges and considerations that individuals must address to maintain a well-balanced and nutrient-rich plant-based lifestyle. By understanding and carefully addressing these challenges, one can successfully navigate the transition to a plant-based way of eating and enjoy all the benefits it has to offer. I hope this information on the challenges and considerations of plant-based diets was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe. For more tips and topics on a plant-based lifestyle, plant-based diets, vegan recipes, plant-based smoothies, and eating healthy as a vegan, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's make today the day we change our eating habits for a healthier life. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are what you eat. What?